Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you hands-on insights into the latest gear and gadgets that make a difference. Today, we're checking out a product built for Starlink users who want more flexibility and performance from their satellite internet setup. The Starlink Pivot Mount, Standard Kit, latest generation. Let's get started by unboxing. Right out of the box, you're greeted with a well-packed, industrial-grade mount. It's made entirely from metal, and as soon as you touch it, the build quality is obvious. Solid, durable, and clearly weather-resistant, which is exactly what you want for outdoor installation. Included in the kit are all the necessary mounting components, screws, brackets, and a user-friendly instruction manual. This isn't one of those products that leaves you guessing. Everything is labeled and logically laid out, which makes installation smoother for beginners and pros alike. This mount is specifically designed for the Starlink Standard Kit, and it excels in giving you installation flexibility. The pivot mechanism allows you to angle your dish precisely, making it easier to find optimal sky visibility. That means better signal reception, less interference, and overall improved Starlink performance, especially in areas with obstructions like trees or buildings. What really makes this mount stand out is its weather-resistant construction. You're not going to worry about rust, warping, or loosening over time. Whether you're in a sunny desert, a rainy region, or a snowy mountain area, this thing is designed to hold up. Now, let's talk install time. From unboxing to fully mounted, it took us around 25 minutes. The process is straightforward and requires just basic tools. Once installed, the entire setup felt extremely secure. There's no wobble or play, just a firm, stable foundation for your Starlink dish. So who's this for? If you've already invested in Starlink's Standard Kit and you need a mount that offers positioning flexibility, high durability, and ease of setup, this is a smart choice. It's not the cheapest mount out there, but for the quality and performance you're getting, it's well worth the investment. And that wraps up today's hands-on with the Starlink Pivot Mount. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you want us to test more Starlink accessories. This is Product Critique, real reviews, no fluff. See you in the next one.